Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. Today guys, we're gonna be unboxing three different strut bars. We have the Cusco rear strut bar for the GR Yaris. Next we have the TRD strut bar for the GR Yaris. And lastly, we have the Tanabe strut bar for the GR Yaris as well. So this is gonna be a strut bar party for the GR Yaris. Let's start unboxing these babies.
I'll take this out first.
It's not really blue, that's just a protective film. The real color is a stainless color. So guys, here's a closer look of the Cusco rear strut bar for the GR Yaris. That shiny. And it comes with this original Cusco sticker, one zip tie, and a couple of hardware for the installation. So this is the label. If you're wondering what this thing weighs, well, we have a weighing scale over here. Okay, around 1020 grams guys for this Cusco rear strut bar.
A few moments later.
So next up guys, we're going to be opening the Tanabe front strut bar for the GR Yaris. So guys, for the Tanabe strut bar, these are the end mounts. The bar is actually separate when you purchase it. This is the bar.
Nice.
So it comes in a red finish. I think this is powder coated. The shape is actually very unique. I think they did this for weight reduction. It's not just a plain tube. It has a very unique shape, as you can see. So it also comes with this, the instruction manual and some pieces of hardware for the installation. So let's go ahead and weigh this. So this is for the bar, end plate, another end plate. 2,174 grams for the Tanabe strut bar for the GR Yaris. So let's see how this compares to the TRD strut bar. So guys, for the third strut bar we're opening today, we're gonna be opening the TRD Gazoo Racing strut bar. Let's see what it looks like. I'm pretty excited with how this is gonna look like because I know it's gonna be nice. So guys, this is the GR Yaris TRD strut bar, and as you can see, it's very nice, especially these end plates. Look at that. And even at the back you can see how nice this strut bar is. So it comes with an instruction manual as usual and some pieces of hardware for the installation. So let's take a look at the weight.
A few moments later.
Here are the three most popular choices for strut bars when it comes to the GR Yaris. So we have the TRD front strut bar, the Tanabe Sustec front strut bar, and for the rear strut bar, the Cusco strut bar. So let me know what you prefer for the front. Is it the Tanabe or the TRD? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to please click that like button and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.